गायत्री मंत्र। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। वेडनेसडे प्रेयर। जिस देश के वासी हैं हम, हित उसका निश्चय चाहेंगे और उसके हित के कारण कुछ न कुछ कर जाएंगे। जिस देश में जन्मे हैं हम, जिसमें पले और हैं जिए, उस देश के हित के लिए हम कुछ न कुछ कर जाएंगे। जिस देश का हम अन्न जल खाते रहे पीते रहे, उस देश के हित के लिए हम कुछ न कुछ कर जाएंगे।
Good morning, SWS. Today is Wednesday, also known as Wednesday's Wisdom or Gyanvardhan Budhwar. 24th March is also celebrated as World Tuberculosis Day. World Tuberculosis Day, also known as World TB Day, seeks to raise awareness for tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease that affects the lungs. It is estimated that in 2017, 10 million people fell ill with tuberculosis and 1.6 million died for this disease. World Tuberculosis Day is a World Health Organization day that is observed annually on 24th March. So let us learn something about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a pathogen disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is said that 1/10 of the population is infected by tuberculosis. Few symptoms for tuberculosis are loss of appetite, cough, chest pain, heat, weight loss, weakness, hemoptysis, increased swelling. Few measures to prevent is vaccinations, healthy diet, adding vitamins in your daily diet, fluorography, exclude contact with the sick person, and to give up smoking. Now let us see few measures that can be followed in order to spread tuberculosis. If a person is infected by tuberculosis, should take all the medicines as they are prescribed until your doctor takes off them. Person should keep all his doctor's appointments. Should always cover his mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing. Should wash the hands after coughing or sneezing. Should not visit other people and don't invite other people to visit them. They should stay home from work, school and other public places. Should use a fan or an open window to move around fresh air. Should not use public transportation. New words for today are as follows. Jurisprudence. Jurisprudence. Jurisprudence, meaning the science or philosophy of law. Second word, inimitable. Inimitable. Inimitable, not capable of being imitated. Thought for the day is, when you talk, you are only repeating something you know, but if you listen, you may learn something new. I repeat, when you talk, you are only repeating something you know, but if you listen, you may learn something new. News headlines for today are as follows. All the citizens of India above 45 years of age will be vaccinated after 1st April. India's vaccinating rate is highest in the world, says Health Minister Harshvardhan. International news: Germany to enter strict 5-day shutdown over Easter, says Angela Merkel. Sports news: no single player will be eliminated from the football team for one or two mistakes. Education news: Uttar Pradesh schools will remain closed till 31st March for the class up to 8th grade. Technology news: Telegram gets $150 million investment from Abu Dhabi State Fund. Thank you.
Requesting everyone to rise up and stand straight for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन